In this video, I'll show you how to fix your smart TV when it won't connect to Wi-Fi. Let's get started with some easy methods. Method 1. Restart your TV and router. Turn off your TV and unplug it from power. Restart your Wi-Fi router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Turn your TV back on and try connecting again. Method 2. Check Wi-Fi password. Make sure you're entering the correct Wi-Fi password. Sometimes a small typo can stop the connection. Method 3. Forget and reconnect to the network. On your TV, go to Settings Network Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi network, then choose Forget. Search for the network again and enter the password to reconnect. Method 4. Update your TV's software. Go to Settings Support Software Update. Check for any updates and install them. Software updates often fix bugs that cause connection issues. Method 5. Check network settings. Make sure your TV is set to obtain IP address automatically. Go to Settings Network Advanced Settings and confirm the settings. Method 6. Reduce distance and interference. Move your router closer to the TV if possible. Remove any devices that might interfere, like microwaves or cordless phones. Method 7. Reset network settings. If nothing else works, reset the TV's network settings. Go to Settings, General Reset Network Settings. Then reconnect to your Wi-Fi from scratch. Thanks for watching. If these methods helped, please like the video and subscribe for more smart TV tips and troubleshooting guides.